Page 30, the Campbells Are Coming. At the top of the page, they have a new dynamic mark for you. FF means fortissimo, means very loud. This still is not as loud as you can get. There's more Fs to come eventually, but it's louder than loud. It's not twice as loud as loud. It's just a little louder than loud. So, yeah. And here we have 6/8 time, 1 flat, so it's an F major or D minor. Well, look at the end, bottom of page 31, you're down here. It's an F major chord, I'm guessing it's an F major. 6/8 time with a pickup beat. We're coming in on beat 6. Watch this fingering carefully, and the notes may not be what you think they are, so be careful. So it's 6, 1, you see in this position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, now it's a G. It's not an F. Watch out. Now it's an F. That's an F again. Now it's a G again. See, they keep switching between the F and the G. Over on page 31, second line, the chords. Try and get the notes down at the same time. And then here, it's a 4 chord. So they want you to draw in the bar lines every 6 beats over on page 31. I'll let you do that. So the beginning of each line is going to be a new measure. So if you don't come out right at the end of the line, you did something wrong. So we're always on beat 1 at the beginning of a line here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. Then you come down to C major. Back up to F. It was fun. Then at the end, I'll come back to the end there when I get to both hands together. Left hand at the beginning is just the dotted half note. Remember, a dotted half note gets 6 counts in 6/8 time. It's the whole measure. That's pretty much all you're doing there. Until you get down to the 3rd line, last measure. Now it's here. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. So make sure you get these rests in here. Over on page 31 is more of the same kind of stuff. Put the hands together. Here, keep this left hand soft out of the way. Not doing a lot here. Now go down to the 3rd line. Right there. Left hand up, so that F is by itself, and now we have, watch this fingering in the right hand, it's 2 and then 3. And it's a 2 and then a 1. So watch the fingering in the right hand, it changes. And over on page 31, second line, you're up here. Go down to the 4th line, last measure. This is where the hands are doing this mess. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you get bass clef in the right hand, so you're down here. And the fermata on that, I'll just double it. So I'll hold it out for, what, 12 counts? Oh, that'll be fun, yeah. Articulation, it's slur. Just make sure you lift up between each of the slurs. Now you get down to the 3rd line, last measure, you get staccatos in the right or left hand. Not loud. Actually, this is saba. Just bounce off the keys. So, and other than that, they're fairly well connected. Dynamic wise, you're starting loud in the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. This is soft. The right hand's soft, left hand's very soft. moderately loud, sort of loud, yeah. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. And you stay that way for a while until the fourth line down, last measure, you're soft. A little louder, moderately loud. And there's a crescendo. You're going to go all the way up to very loud. Just there. Don't get very loud to the last note. They've accented it. I disagree with the accent. When you get to very loud on a piano, you don't need accents here. Just play it very loud. Standing at with that. I'm not sure why, but that's what they wrote, so okay. Now as far as speed goes, they give you an idea, and they're doing it by dotted quarter notes. So it says 1, 2, 1, 2. And how do you feel? So about that speed eventually, you work it up to that speed over time. Control and accuracy is more important than speed. Huh? You have your speed limit, don't go beyond it. It will increase in time as you get better at the piano, but right now, then we add the pedal. I disagree with it, but they're putting it in, we'll put it in. I think you play this whole piece without pedal just fine, except maybe for the chords over on page 31. That's a contrast between this and this. See, the contrast and the pedal can help bring that out. But they want to pedal pretty much everything. So let's talk about it. I'm going to push the pedal down right after I play the notes. Here, and I'm going to change the pedal after I play the notes. So the pedal, it's legato pedal. No pedal here, it's staccato on left hand. When you get over to page 31, second line, now it's pedal again. At the last measure of the fourth line, the pedal stays down to the end, so it's here. Pedaling up, and at the end, the pedal and the hands come up at the same time together. Now that's the pedal. I like to play it with you slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics, but we need to make sure we got the right notes and rhythms. So I'm going to go fairly slow here. So I'll give us 5 counts because we come in on beat 6. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 4, 5. 6. 6. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6. 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Off.